Hey everyone, tired of heavy work shoes that protect your feet but leave you uncomfortable by noon? You're watching Tech Product, and today we're talking about the best safety shoes that combine real protection with all-day comfort. If you need strong and reliable footwear for tough jobs, these safety shoes might be exactly what you are looking for. Let's get started. Up next is the Kevlar T02 safety shoes. Kevlar designed this model for people who work in demanding environments but still want their feet to feel good after long hours. The balance between protection and comfort is what really makes this shoe stand out. First, let's talk about comfort. The Kevlar T02 safety shoes feature a soft and foldable body. That means the shoe bends easily with your foot instead of feeling stiff and hard. When you walk, squat, or climb, the material moves naturally. This helps reduce foot fatigue, especially during long shifts. The upper part is made with a fly-knit breathable material. This allows air to flow in and out, keeping your feet cool. If you work in warm environments, you know how uncomfortable stuffy shoes can be. The breathable design helps prevent that sweaty and heavy feeling. Inside, the sandwich breathable lining adds another layer of comfort. It feels soft against your skin and supports airflow throughout the day. Now let's move to safety. The Kevlar T02 comes with a built-in steel toe cap that is resistant to smashing. If something heavy falls on your foot, the steel toe helps absorb the impact and protect your toes. There is also extra reinforcement around the toe area, which adds more protection against accidental kicks and collisions at work. Under your feet, you get a Kevlar midsole. This layer is designed to prevent punctures from sharp objects. Whether it is nails, metal pieces, or iron filings at room temperature, the midsole acts as a strong barrier. Combined with the puncture-resistant rubber sole, it gives you confidence when walking on rough surfaces. The outsole itself is made from anti-slip rubber with a concave and convex pattern. This design improves grip on different types of floors. It helps reduce the risk of slipping, especially on smooth or slightly wet surfaces. The wear-resistant construction also means the sole can handle daily use without breaking down quickly. What makes the Kevlar T02 safety shoes impressive is how they combine all these protective features without feeling bulky. They look more like sporty sneakers than heavy work boots. This modern design makes them easier to wear for long hours while still giving you strong workplace protection. Overall, the Kevlar T02 safety shoes offer breathable comfort, anti-slip grip, puncture resistance, and solid toe protection in one smart package. They are built to handle tough industrial or construction environments while keeping your feet supported and secure. Comfort meets protection. If you are ready to upgrade your work footwear, these could be a great choice. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.